Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that's designed to be your ultimate travel companion for FPV adventures, the iFlight Defender 25 HD03. Right off the bat, one of the most compelling features is its weight. Coming in at sub-249 grams, this drone is ultra-light, meaning in most countries, you won't need to worry about registration. Its compact and lightweight design truly makes it easy to pack up and take anywhere, redefining what's possible for FPV on the go. Despite its small size, the Defender 25 is built tough. It features built-in 2.5-inch propeller guards, specifically designed for bold flying. This allows for a new level of creative freedom, letting pilots fly in environments they might otherwise avoid. The frame itself is injection molded, providing significant durability. This design doesn't just protect the motors and propellers from damage. It also offers a layer of protection during those small flight errors that inevitably happen, safeguarding the drone and its surroundings. When it comes to video quality, the Defender 25 is equipped with the cutting-edge DJI O3 Air Unit HD transmission system. This means you're getting stunning visuals with support for 4K video recording. The camera boasts an impressive 155-degree ultra-wide-angle field of view, capturing expansive and immersive footage. For those who love post-processing, the DC Nightlight color mode is available, offering more flexibility for color grading and editing your shots. Leveraging DJI's latest tech ensures both high-quality video capture and reliable transmission. Powering the Defender 25 is a quick-release battery system, designed for ease of use. The battery is not only innovative with its quick-release mechanism, but also features crash protection. The drone comes stock with a 4S 550 mAh battery, and there's a quick-release charging adapter included to simplify the charging process. Beyond the core features, the Defender 25 includes several thoughtful design elements. It has inbuilt high-performance video and receiver antennas for reliable signal. The landing gear is optimized for taking off even in complex environments. The XT30 battery plug is secured and includes an anti-spark filter, which is a nice touch. For easy assembly and maintenance, the motors have direction arrows and the propellers feature positioning columns. All ports and buttons are easily accessible, adding to the user-friendly experience. It even includes a mini camera mount for adding a naked GoPro or Insta360 if you want even higher quality recording. Plus, for those already in the DJI ecosystem, it works directly with the DJI FPV remote controller too, meaning no additional receiver is needed. This drone packs a lot of capability into a very small, durable, and travel-friendly package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.